In a world where every step counts, every breath matters, and every heart beats with purpose, there exists a force that nurtures, heals, and inspires. Today, on International Women's Day, we celebrate the resilience, strength, and beauty of women around the globe. From the gentle flow of yoga poses that harmonize mind, body, and spirit. To the empowering strides on the track, women are champions of their own health and wellness journey. With every nutritious meal prepared with love, and every moment of self-care embraced, women prioritize their well-being, nurturing themselves to nurture others. In hospitals and clinics, in homes and communities, women stand at the forefront of healthcare, dedicating their lives to healing and compassion. From pioneering scientists to visionary entrepreneurs, women are shaping the future of health and wellness, breaking barriers and inspiring change. On this special day, let us honor the women who have paved the way, celebrate the progress we've made, and commit to supporting each other in our journey towards holistic well-being. Because when women thrive, the world thrives. Happy International Women's Day. Women, the backbone of our society. You are appreciated here at Health Tips with Joy.